Hello everybody. Well, in this video we'll be talking about homosexuality, which is having sexual attraction towards the same gender. So the first opposition that we get to hear from people is that this is unnatural. Like morally, this is evil is what we get to hear. And this is actually a logical trap set so this is actually, I would say, this is not a logical argument. If anyone says that homosexuality is not part of the nature, let me tell you. Right? So Aristotle, Carl Sagan and Richard Dawkins, so the biologists, they recorded same-sex behavior. They were working on homosexuality and they recorded this same-sex behavior in 1500 plus animal species that were part of animal kingdom, and homosexuality is completely natural. So if anyone next time says to you that homosexuality is a not natural process, and we as a human, if we want to increase our population, the next generation, then we should be having partners that we should have with another gender, right? So it is actually not, it is completely natural, and we do see this from the studies conducted by the biologist. And then okay, so we figured out the first argument said by people. Second argument is the appeal to nature fallacy. It is like we say that it is false idea that if something is natural, then it must be good, right? So in this we can see an example of cancer, that is natural; parasite, that is natural; earthquake, killing of own baby, all of these things are natural. So nature, being nature inclined with nature, doesn't mean that it would be right. So if people tell you that homosexuality is quite not natural, or it is natural, so the point is not to prove whether nature is always good or not. That comes under the appeal to nature fallacy. Now if we see the unnatural things like medicine, AC, the eyeglasses that I'm having, the consent, all of these are unnatural, is what is perceived. So I would say nature doesn't care about justice. It doesn't care about empathy, human rights. We base the ethics on consent, empathy and harm. We as a human being, we make this society where we set rules that this is ethical, you need to have consent before going for a sex. So I want everyone to understand this on a very deeper scale, that consent, it might look bad, but consent is not appreciated by nature. You have to win other partner, or maybe the same partner is also part of the nature. And this was the whole point of the whole video about. So if someone says that homosexuality is not natural, then please set these examples, and hope this helps.